Show you how to add an overlay in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut on my PC, and now from here I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and now we want to import the video or the videos you want to overlay, so I'm going to click on import. Now I'm inside the download section on my PC. So for this video or demonstration, I want to have this drone footage as the main video, and then the overlay with this guy talking in, say, a top left or bottom right hand corner. So what I'm going to do is click on both videos and now click open, and now from here I'm just going to drag this into the timeline. So now we can see we've got the two videos here, but now we need to create an overlay. So what I want to do is click and hold this first video and now pop this on top of this drone footage. So think of this overlay as layers of a cake. So this is the top layer, this is the bottom layer. So what we can do here is click on this video, and I'll show you. So if I make this video smaller, you can see the bottom layer now. So to make this guy as a talking head bubble, I can just make him a bit smaller and put him on the bottom right or bottom left hand corner like so. So if I put him on the bottom right, and if I play the video, you can see you've got the talking head and you've got the drone footage. What we can do is make this one step better again. So I'm going to click on the top layer, and now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller like so. And from here, I'll just go back to the start of the video. I'll just show you something. If I press play here, you will see a lot of unused space on this talking head. So we can go one step further. Now to just make this head visible and get rid of this unwanted space, click on the video, and then on the right hand side we've got some more options. So make sure video is checked, and we want to go to mask here, and we want to only show the head. So go ahead and click on circle, and as you can see, we can see the head. So just adjust the circle like so, and if I go ahead and press play, it will look a lot better. So I'm going to press play. See how that looks 100% better. So I'll go ahead and press play again on this video. Yeah, that is much better. We can also go one step further and remove the background here inside the talking bubble head. So to do that, I'm just going to pause the video, select the first video here, the talking head. So now what we want to do, click that talking head up the top, click video, and then we want to click onto cutout here. And now under cutout, we've got auto cutout. It says only human figures can be cut out. So if you've got objects, this won't work, but let's have a look. So if I click auto cutout, it will say processing, and depending how fast your machine is, it could take a few seconds. And there you go, auto cutout complete. So if I go ahead and press play, dude's moved, so I'm going to move him up in that corner again. Press play. There you go, I'll remove the background, and you can see more of the drone footage inside the video. But let's say you don't have a human figure there and you want to remove the background. We need to click on customize, and we've got pro features here of a smart brush, smart eraser, but these are, as I said, pro features inside CapCut. If you're interested in getting a CapCut Pro 7-day free trial, I will leave a link in the description below. But yeah, if you don't have Pro, you can always click on eraser and change the brush size, and then just manually remove the background like so. Just doing a rough job here, and then hit apply. Then that's going to cut. It says queued for processing, so give that a few moments to load, and you can just do it manually by clicking on customize if you don't have a human face.